No matter where you are in life right now, remember this: you have the power to rise. Every challenge you face is not a wall to stop you, but a mountain to climb, and at the top is a stronger, wiser version of yourself. Doubt, fear, and failure are natural parts of the journey, but they do not define you. What defines you is your ability to keep moving forward, even when the road is uncertain. You are capable of more than you know, and every small step you take with courage adds up to something great. Don't wait for the perfect moment, create it. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and never stop striving. Your future is built by what you do today. Keep pushing. Keep growing. You've got this. You were not born to simply exist, you were born to thrive, to grow, and to make a difference. Every day is a new chance to chase your dreams, to rewrite your story, and to become the person you aspire to be. Don't let setbacks break you, let them build you. The road may be tough, but your determination is tougher. Keep your vision clear, your heart strong, and your mind focused. Greatness isn't about never falling, it's about rising every time you do. You are capable, you are resilient, and your journey is just getting started.